The 2014 Ford Expedition. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.